Yeah, this is also very nice today on the 6th of July 2001. We have Kauppakartanonkatu, Handelsgårdsgatan 10, staircase E here. It's an Itäkeskus Centrum, Helsinki, Finland. It has been built in 1985. And in 2003 by Schindler. There's a Schindler combined door here. 4 floors. The number is 1784E. We'll try to runs here. So here it's lighter.
Yeah. Don't press when the door is open.
Yeah.
Speedbike-kivais pitää mennä eteenpäin kooni.
It's good that they were added then, but too bad that they were not built in 1985 originally.
Yeah.
Like in Texas CMD by Devils and Rust in 2003.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. Well, at least when they added, they didn't add anything more in here.
Yeah. That's